Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Nick Brand, the dentist in the jeans. Today I wanted to cover a very simple but important topic that I get asked every day in my practice. How do I select the right toothpaste for me? Selection of the toothpaste really can be as simple or as complicated as you want to make it. If you go in the store, you're going to find I have a selection here of everything from whitening, tartar control, sensitive, advanced white, pro enamel, max fresh, you name it. We've got tons of toothpaste out there and it can be overwhelming for somebody to decide. What I like to say is keep it simple. This is an area where unless you have a specific dental problem that you're trying to address, such as sensitive teeth, which we'll go over in another segment, I like to tell my patients avoid the chemicals. One of the primary chemicals that we see in toothpaste is a detergent called sodium lauryl sulfate. It's in almost every toothpaste. You have to work hard to find a toothpaste that does not have sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate is responsible for causing a lot of irritation in the gum and mouth tissues and a condition that we call recurrent aphthous stomatitis, which is the little canker sores that you get. For people who get those, one thing that's very simple is eliminate sodium lauryl sulfate in your toothpaste and you'll have a very good chance that you'll have less recurrences of those. The whitening toothpaste and the tartar control toothpaste also both contain chemicals that we find cause more irritation than they actually have an advantage to the consumer. Most whitening toothpaste don't actually whiten your teeth at all, so there's very little, if any, benefit there. One toothpaste that I've found myself recommending through the years is a toothpaste from a company called Tom's of Maine. Tom's of Maine started out offering only one very natural type of toothpaste, and it had no sodium lauryl sulfate, and you can get it with or without fluoride. Today there are people who don't like to have fluoride in their toothpaste and don't want to be exposed to it. And so Tom's can fulfill that need. You'll have to be careful because Tom has gotten into the consumer business also, and he has all these other kinds that we'll see here also. You can find this also in Target and Walmart, but you got to look hard. You've got to turn around and look at the active and inactive ingredients and try to avoid one that has sodium lauryl sulfate, avoid the tartar control, avoid the whitening. So if you're somebody who is just looking for a everyday, all-purpose toothpaste with or without fluoride, then in my opinion, simpler is better, folks. So good luck with that, and catch me on some other segments and we'll talk about some of the more specific conditions that have to do with sensitivity, whitening, kids, and whatnot. Thanks.